Hello, this is the tiny JoyPad Megazoid variant. This is the package that I'll be selling on Tindy. I've made 10 of these. Grab one if you want one. Here's an unboxing of my own product. So you get the owner's manual, which is 8 pages of waffle. You get obviously the tiny JoyPad itself. These are the, well, I call it the Dulux model. It's got the magnets on there. Just helps with a bit of grip, and all the sort of defects, if you want to call them that, all the little quirks that were on the original have been sorted out. All the problems, or as much as I could anyway. So these are all made up of. This is obviously 3D printed plastic, so. You know, they're all slightly unique, but finish is pretty good. Well, I think so. And then obviously these are the other bits. So there's 6 games, sorry. So 6 games. These are they help you if you want to reprogram the cartridge to DIP8. Use the red ones with the red cartridges, the blue one with the blue cartridges, all in the manual. There's a couple of extra joysticks. The joysticks can be removed. I'm not going to do it, but I suppose over time they might get a bit looser, so I've included a couple of spares just in case. They're not glued on. And then the final thing is the battery cover removal tool. Totally not a paper clip. So that helps you take the battery out. These batteries should last, well, I don't know, depends on usage, but I mean it could be years. Or at least a year. So that's the full package. Available on Tindy. Just run through the games. It's Tiny Invaders. Tiny Bomber. Frogger. Arkanoid. Pac-Man. Tetris by Andy Jackson. So that's what's in the box, and I'll be selling them for $25, which I think is fair. It's practically, or I believe it to be the cost of the components, and not even like the time, just the cost. Links, the Tindy link will be in the video, below the video, and the code sources for the games are going to be they're already on Hackaday, and then there'll be a link on Tindy to the codes for the games. There's also, in the manual, it does explain who made the games and where to get where their websites are. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.